So for our little adventure out of Chiang Mai today, we're heading to the sticky waterfalls. I don't know how to explain it to you, so I'm just gonna wait to show you when I get there. What can quite possibly be explained as the weirdest soundtrack for a drive into the jungle. We finally made it to at least to the base of the waterfall. This little park here. So the waterfall's not actually sticky, but the rock makes it very easy to climb, as you can see behind me. We've been climbing the rocks right now, taking photos, which has been pretty fun. We'll probably do this a few times, go up and down the waterfall. It's a lot different than I thought it would be. So after a few spills on the waterfall, collectively, everybody is all right, but it was a pretty fun adventure. How do you feel after falling so many times?
Survive.
time at the sticky waterfall and some good bacon, egg, and avocado wraps. I'm gonna head back up to my room and take a little nap. This is the weirdest sensation I've ever felt. Weird. Very weird. Can't handle it, huh?
No. It's like a...
If you like these videos, click the thumbs up and subscribe below, and also share with your friends, and remember, you don't have to spend a fortune to have an adventure.